Hey everyone, this is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips by Biore. So these strips contain natural charcoal, and they work like a magnet to instantly lock onto and lift deep down dirt, oil, and blackheads. So in just 10 minutes, you'll remove weeks worth of buildup, see 3 times less oil, and achieve your deepest clean. It's great for oily skin, is what the website description of this product is. I really love these nose strips. This is the first time I've gotten the charcoal ones. I've been using the Biore blackhead strips for a while now, but this is the first time I've gotten the charcoal ones. I don't know if there's really much of a difference. Like, I haven't really noticed too much of a difference between the ones with charcoal and the ones without it. But either way, I still really do like these. I feel like they just really do clear my blackheads. They remove all kinds of dirt, oil from like my nose and that area of my face, and it just leaves it really, really smooth and really, really clean feeling, which I think that everyone wants. They do come in a box of, I think, about 8. It comes in a box with 8 strips. I think that's the smallest box you can get is with 8, but it goes all the way up to like 24, I believe, is what you can purchase in the box sizes. So it has directions on the box itself. I don't have the box anymore, just because it takes up more space than if I take it out of the box. So I took them all out of the box and I just threw the box away. But it does have instructions on each individual package, each individual little sealed package as well. So that's really, really helpful. Then it also has some caution warnings on it, such as only use on your nose, don't use it on acne or blemishes or swollen, sunburn, excessive dry skin, or skin being treated with prescription acne medication. So just, like if you have like a huge pimple on your nose or something, don't use it. If your nose is super sunburned, don't use it. You don't want to make anything worse when your skin is already irritated. But yeah, overall, I have had really, really great luck with these. I'm going to go ahead and open one. I'm going to use it right this second. I'll use it afterwards. But just so that I can show you what it actually looks like. And this little packaging is really, really easy to open as well. It has a little tear. It has a little open here. So just... and it's really easy, it comes right off, and then take out the strip, and that is what it looks like. So the plastic and the thing, it feels kind of like felt a little bit on this side. So the way that you're supposed to do it is you are to kind of just unattach all of these little slits here. Those are meant so that you can shape it to your nose better. It's got 3 at the top and then 3 at the bottom. So you kind of just want to detach those from each other like so. And then you wet your nose. I find that using hot water works a lot better than like room temperature or cold water. I like to use hot water, so I dab some hot water onto my nose, and then that is what makes it stick to your nose. So it's because it's not sticky. This is kind of feels like a little bit like a film type of thing. It's very shiny. It's shiny. So this side is felt and this side is shiny, and this is the shiny side is the side that you put on your skin. So you take it out of the package, you separate all of these little slits You put some water, I recommend hot water, on your nose, and then you take this off of the plastic film and you just apply it to your nose. So this is going to be the bottom. So the little indent, this goes like right over the bridge of your nose. So it's kind of hard to tell here, but yeah, and then you just wait 10 minutes and you'll know because when it dries, so when you put it on your nose, because your nose is wet, it'll be soft. It'll feel soft right when it touches the water, and then as the 10 minutes go by and it dries, it'll be hard. It'll get harder. So after 10 minutes, you just peel it off. It does hurt a little bit when you're peeling it off, so just like be careful with that, or just like be warned that it does hurt just a tiny bit. It's not like, oh my god, I'm never gonna do this again. Like, it's not as bad. Like, even getting your eyebrows waxed is not, it's not worse than that at all. Just a quick ripping off a band-aid type of thing. And when you do, you'll actually be able to see on the side that was on your skin all of the disgusting dirt and pores, or dirt that was filling your pores. You will actually see it on here, so you can actually literally see it work. You do want to make sure that your face is clean when you do it, so don't have makeup on or anything. I usually will take my makeup off, and then I use a facial cleanser to just clean my face, and then a scrub, so my face is super clean. And then I go in and I use this. So yeah, this is, I think, a really great product for removing blackheads and cleaning out your pores at home, and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.